Nestled gracefully among rolling hills, the modern farmhouse stands as a testament to contemporary design harmonizing with nature. With a lush green lawn stretching out in front, this home offers a picturesque view that invites tranquility and relaxation. The seamless blend of rustic charm and modern amenities creates a welcoming atmosphere, making it an ideal retreat for those seeking solace in the countryside. Let's explore the various aspects of this beautiful farmhouse, from its inviting exterior to the thoughtfully designed interior spaces. Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Green Horizons, a modern farmhouse nestled among rolling hills. The front of the modern farmhouse is characterized by its striking facade, which combines traditional elements with a contemporary twist. A spacious porch adorned with comfortable seating invites guests to sit and enjoy the serene views of the expansive green lawn. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, enhances the farmhouse's rustic appeal while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Large windows allow for ample natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that welcomes both residents and visitors alike. Surrounding the home, the meticulously landscaped lawn features vibrant flower beds and native plants that complement the natural beauty of the rolling hills in the background. The gentle slope of the land adds depth to the scenery, making the farmhouse appear as if it is cradled by nature. This harmonious relationship between the home and its surroundings fosters a sense of peace, encouraging outdoor activities and family gatherings in the fresh air. Stepping inside, the living room serves as the heart of the modern farmhouse, where comfort meets style. The open concept design allows for a seamless flow between spaces, making it perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet family moments. Cozy furnishings, such as plush sofas and oversized armchairs, create an inviting atmosphere, while a statement fireplace adds a touch of warmth and charm. The decor strikes a balance between modern minimalism and rustic elegance, featuring neutral tones and natural textures that reflect the beauty of the landscape outside. Large windows frame breathtaking views of the green hills, allowing the beauty of nature to become an integral part of the living space. The natural light that floods the room enhances the overall ambience, creating a bright and airy environment. Whether it's a cozy evening by the fire or a lively gathering with friends, the living room is designed to be a versatile space that adapts to the needs of its inhabitants, fostering connection and relaxation. The bedroom in this modern farmhouse is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Designed with comfort in mind, it features a spacious layout that allows for a restful retreat at the end of the day. Soft, muted colors and natural materials create a calming atmosphere, while large windows provide stunning views of the surrounding hills. The carefully chosen furnishings, including a plush bed and cozy textiles, invite relaxation and rejuvenation, making it the perfect place to unwind. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, the bedroom is equipped with modern amenities that enhance the living experience. Thoughtful touches, such as built-in storage solutions and ambient lighting, ensure that the space remains functional and organized. The connection to nature is further emphasized by the use of organic materials and decor that reflect the beauty of the landscape, creating a harmonious environment that promotes restful sleep and peaceful mornings. The dining room is a focal point of the modern farmhouse, designed to bring family and friends together for memorable meals. With an open layout that flows seamlessly from the kitchen and living room, this space encourages social interaction and connection. A large dining table crafted from reclaimed wood serves as the centerpiece, inviting gatherings for everything from casual breakfasts to festive dinners. The warm, inviting atmosphere is enhanced by soft lighting and tasteful decor that reflects the farmhouse's rustic charm. Large windows in the dining room offer breathtaking views of the green lawn and rolling hills, creating a picturesque backdrop for every meal. The connection to the outdoors is further emphasized by the use of natural materials and earthy tones in the decor. Whether it's a cozy family dinner or a lively gathering with friends, the dining room is designed to be a welcoming space that fosters connection, conversation, and cherished memories. The kitchen in this modern farmhouse is a chef's dream, combining functionality with style. Featuring state-of-the-art appliances and ample counter space, it is designed for both cooking and entertaining. The open layout allows for easy movement between the kitchen, dining room, and living areas, making it the perfect space for hosting gatherings. Custom cabinetry and a large island provide both storage and workspace, while stylish fixtures and finishes add a touch of elegance to the overall design. Natural light floods the kitchen through large windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The design incorporates elements that reflect the farmhouse's rustic charm, such as a farmhouse sink and wooden accents. This harmonious blend of modern convenience and traditional aesthetics makes the kitchen not just a place for meal preparation, but a central hub for family life and social gatherings, where culinary creativity can flourish. The bathroom in this modern farmhouse is a serene oasis that combines luxury with practicality. Designed with relaxation in mind, the space features a soothing color palette and high-quality materials that create a spa-like atmosphere. A spacious soaking tub, positioned near a window, offers a perfect spot to unwind while enjoying views of the rolling hills. The use of natural stone and wood accents enhances the rustic charm, making the bathroom feel like a retreat from the everyday hustle and bustle. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, the bathroom is equipped with modern fixtures and amenities that prioritize comfort and convenience. A walk-in shower with rainfall showerhead provides a refreshing experience, while double vanities ensure ample space for daily routines. Thoughtful storage solutions, such as built-in shelves and cabinets, keep the space organized and clutter-free. This bathroom is not just a functional area. It is a personal sanctuary where one can escape and rejuvenate, embodying the essence of modern farmhouse living.